Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to fix the not enough storage issue with my Samsung cell phone. This cell phone comes with 8 gig internal storage, and I also add 16 gig SD card. Hope to for my photos, videos, and some other applications. And I also set the default storage for the camera, the photos to be the SD card. But still, I'm starting to have the issues with not enough storage. Really, the problem is the new applications I installed later seems they can only be installed on the internal storage. And I have been researched the fix for this issue for a long time, but couldn't find anyone on the internet. But today I'm going to show you the magic, the solution, how to fix the issue and move the external applications from the internal storage to the external SD card. First, let me show you what's the problem. Let me open the camera, browse the photos. Oops, it's a pop-up window, unable to open apps. There's not enough storage space. So my files, I have deleted all the unnecessary data, and there is about 500 meg free space on my internal storage. That's actually quite a bit, but still prevents me from opening the photos. That's really annoying. So let me show you the solution. First, I'm going to disable the Wi-Fi and close all the applications. Then go to apps, settings, and scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit to storage. As you can see, I only use about 2.27 gig of the SD card, and there's about 500 meg free space on the internal storage. Next, click internal storage. Here is important to wait it finish the calculating. So you can see the used space is 2.42 gig. Click it. It's also important here to wait it finish the calculating. Then applications. So it's also important here to wait it finish the calculating the used space for all the applications. And also note here, those applications come with Android, cannot be moved from internal storage to the external SD card. Only those new applications you installed. Let me show you. If you want to move Google Maps, there's no such options for you to move. Let me go back. So I'm going to move the WeChat, which is a very popular application. As you can see, it's currently is on internal storage, and there's a change button. Click it. Then move to SD card. Then move. Oops. Wait, pop up again. Let's see SD card again. Change. Oh, okay, it's already moved. So let me go back. Open the camera. Browse the photos again. Yeah, it fixed the issue and I can browse my photo now. And if you still couldn't open the gallery, you can also move other external applications from the internal storage to the external storage. So that's the solution. Hope it helps you. Have a good day. Bye.